Meaning of drawstring.
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 Drawstring. A drawstring is a flexible cord or string that is used to tighten or loosen the opening of a bag, pouch, or piece of clothing. The cord is typically threaded through a series of holes or loops along the opening and pulled tighter to close it. This design allows for easy adjustment and closure of the opening. Drawstrings are commonly found on items such as backpacks, hoodies, and sweatpants. They provide a simple and functional way to secure and store items while also easily accessing them when needed.